Today I'm making banana pancakes. Let's get to it. I'm gonna take 2 cups of pancake mix and 1.5 cups of water. Because this is the complete pancake mix, that is all that I need. Once I add my water, I'm just gonna combine that until it's nice and smooth, and then I'm gonna work on adding my banana. Now, this mixture is a little looser than I like my pancakes, but the banana, once I add it to this, it's going to make it a little thicker, and these pancakes are going to turn out really fluffy. So I'm just going to take this banana out of the peel, and then I'm going to mash it up into my pancake mix. And the reason you want to mash it is because you're going to end up with, it's not going to be a good pancake if you don't mash the banana. So I'm just going to use a fork to mash it. I can't use my whisk, but it tends to get a little stuck. So I'm just going to mash it until it's nice and smooth with my fork. Now, this is what the mixture should look like once you have your banana fully incorporated. It's going to be smooth but slightly lumpy because of the banana. You won't be able to get the banana completely smooth, but that's fine. The key to a good banana pancake is a little more pancake mix than banana. If you add too much banana, your pancake is going to be like jelly. It's not going to be a good pancake at all. So let's get cooking. So before I start cooking my pancakes, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to my skillet. Get it nice and hot because we want these pancakes nice and golden brown. Now that my butter is all melted over medium heat, I'm going to start adding my pancake mix. And I'm just going to add a spoonful at a time. Try to get it right in the middle of the skillet. And I'm making big pancakes. Go big or go home. So I'm going to be adding a couple spoonfuls of this pancake mix. And y'all, I have to learn, you have to cook your pancakes on a higher setting, because if you cooking them low and slow, they are not going to turn out right. You want them to get nice and brown first, and then they're going to start to bubble up in the middle, and you're going to be all good. Don't cook your pancakes low and slow. High with your eye on it is the best way. Once it starts to bubble up like this, don't flip it yet because it's not ready to flip and it's still pretty soft. But you do want to move it around a little bit. Check it. Make sure it's not sticking. And make sure that it's not burning. So in a second we will be able to flip this, but not yet. Because if you try to flip it right now, it's going to tear up. So just let it cook a little bit more and then we're going to flip. Okay, so I turned my heat down to like medium low, and now I'm gonna flip it. Boom, y'all see how good that looks? This is why you cook it on medium heat. Don't cook it on low because it's not gonna get brown. So you flip it over, let it cook, turn it down just a little bit more because it's halfway done. You don't want a dry pancake. Don't be making no dry banana pancakes because then it's not gonna be good. Now, just like a grilled cheese sandwich, in between each pancake, you want to make sure you wipe out that browned butter because it will start to burn before you make your next pancake. And I'm just going to repeat the same steps I did for the first one for the rest of my pancake mix. And that is it for these delicious banana pancakes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.